love our new Thursday pools, fiberglass pool.
We got the Aspen.
Our family will build a lifetime of remarkable moments right here.
Yes, and the pool maintenance tips I got from the pool dealer are gonna make sure that's possible.
Oh yeah? What did they say?
I'm glad you asked.
He said to run the filter at least 8 to 12 hours per day and clean it regularly by following the manufacturer's instructions. He also said we should check our pump and skimmer baskets every day to keep the water flowing. Because unbalanced water chemistry can cause damage to our pool shell, he recommended we pay close attention to that.
Well, that doesn't sound too hard.
Oh, and he did say that you need to vacuum and brush it every day just to make sure you get up any loose debris that's settled.
He said I need to do that?
That's what I heard.
I think you're mistaken.
He said your name.
I'm pretty sure he said yours.
Your name's Emily, right?
Oh, no, I don't.
Just saying.
I'm not sure he
That's
even
what I
knew my
heard.
name. No.
You're cleaning it.